Want a strong, powerful body? Full body workouts are key. They work every muscle group, boosting your metabolism and torching calories. This means more muscle, less fat, and a physique that turns heads. Forget boring routines. Full body workouts are efficient and effective, giving you maximum results in minimal time. Full body workouts also improve your functional fitness. This means you can handle everyday activities with ease. Whether you're carrying groceries or playing with your kids, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling your best and conquering any challenge life throws your way. Ready to unlock your athletic potential? Let's get started. Before you hit the weights, it's crucial to warm up your muscles and joints. This prepares your body for intense activity and reduces the risk of injury. A proper warm-up increases blood flow, loosens up your muscles, and improves your range of motion. Start with some light cardio, like jogging or jumping jacks, to get your heart rate up. Then move on to dynamic stretches that mimic the movements you'll be doing in your workout. Think arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. Remember, a proper warm-up is non-negotiable. It's the foundation for a safe and effective workout. Day 1 is all about igniting those major muscle groups: push, pull, and legs. We'll be hitting them hard with compound exercises that engage multiple muscles simultaneously. This maximizes calorie burn and stimulates muscle growth. Get ready for a challenging but rewarding workout. Push. Start with push-ups, a classic exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Pull next. Move on to pull-ups, a challenging but effective exercise that works your back, biceps, and forearms. Legs. Finish strong with squats, the king of leg exercises which engage your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Remember to focus on proper form and control throughout each exercise. Quality over quantity is key for optimal results. Day 2 focuses on hip hinge movements, squats, and core strength. These exercises are crucial for building a strong and stable foundation. Get ready to challenge your body in new ways. Hip hinge. Master the deadlift, a powerful exercise that targets your posterior chain, including your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Squats. Continue challenging your legs with variations like front squats or goblet squats, targeting different muscle groups. Core. Engage your core with exercises like planks, Russian twists, and leg raises. Remember to maintain proper form and engage your core throughout each movement. This will help prevent injuries and maximize results.